Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top 4 Best EU Plug Desktop Power Socket Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Power strip with 4 AC independent switches, EU plug, 3 USB ports, and 1 Type-C port, offers safe and convenient power control for multiple devices. Available with 5 feet per 10-foot extension cord options, ideal for home, travel, office, company, and game room use. Durable, fire-resistant build with overload protection.
Number 3.
Specification, model, ZN OG4A-K, color, black, white, product material, flame retardant PC, ABS, rated voltage, 110-250V, rated current, 16A, power, 4000W, surge protection jowls, 900J.
Number 2.
Tower Power Strip EU plug with surge protection offers multiple universal outlets, 2 USB ports, and 2 Type-C PD20W fast charging ports for phones, tablets, and laptops. Vertical tower design saves space, built with fire-resistant material, overload protection, and stable power delivery.
Number 1.
Power Strip Wall Socket Extender with 2-meter extension line features 4 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and 2 Type-C fast charging ports. 8-in-1 EU plug design with smart power switch ensures safe electricity for home, office, and travel use. Durable build and overload protection.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.